Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, I didn't plug my mic on. Oh, hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner, and today we have another unboxing. I traded my Certina watch, which I showed you, for this one. But before we go to the tabletop unboxing, which I will do with the Spyderco Parrot 3, uh, you know who else does a lot of unboxing? Random Rob. Check out Random Rob on YouTube. Go subscribe to him. He unboxes things on a daily basis. Spyderco Paramilitary Tree. And what you want to check out what's cool about this one? Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth, and it cuts. So, like I said, I traded my. And did you see this knife action? It goes through it like it's nothing. Um, yeah, random robs, boxes, watches all the time. So if you want it, you can check him out. So today I have, there's something else in here. No, nothing here. Today I traded the Certina for this guy. And this says TGV, huh? Komandirskie. This is Komandirskie, but it's not normal Komandirskie like you get it. You get this. You buy a jacket with this on the sleeve. It's so cool, man. Or is it? I don't know. Nice. So the pillow. It's not a very nice pillow. It has a lot of dust, but it is what it is. So this is Komandirskie. I need to check it out for myself. Give me a little glass. I hate these domed crystal black watches. You cannot film them. It's really hard. I always struggle. So yeah, Komandirskie automatic. I never seen Komandirskie like this. This is like a proper pilot's watch. You can wound it, no screw down crown, made in Russia. And I will give you some cool photos because it's all black and looks so much better in person. Love the band. I might steal the band of this one. Oh, it's so much cool. I will definitely steal the band of this one and put it, I don't know, on something on my moon watch or something like that. This is cool. Also, the movement, automatic movement, Vostok watchmakers, Komandirskie, Vostok watchmakers, Komandirskie, stainless steel, 100 meters, water resistance, nothing else. I can see it's a type of movement that goes into modern amphibious also. From as far as I can see it right here, straight off the bat, uh, I will put in some B-roll footage because the watch is really okay. What else is in the box? I will do a review, so be on the lookout. This one with some fancy footage. I get another band, a leather band with the red stitching. Not a fan. Uh, Not a fan of the red stitching on. It's a coal band. I don't know how much these retail for, or where you can get them, but when I do a review, I will learn all these things where you can get them. I got it from a buddy who I traded in with me. So Komandirskie automatic, some literature. Here you have Pozdravljam, Ruski časovi. English. Yeah, it's bought on the 2017. Some kind of guarantee and specifications and stuff. Okay, there's some English stuff here. Okay, be on the lookout for a review. I have something else here. Vostok. This is cool. I'm gonna put this one. Also, I like this logo. Very cool. It's a bit cheesy, gimmicky, but very cool. Let me just drop the G-Shock off my wrist and put this on. I kind of like it. It's really cool. The band, I like the green military bands. And as you can see, the watches, let me try to do something with the light here. Okay, this is more how the watch looks in real life. Like this. Very cool. I think this is cooler than a Junkers. I thought this is a quick flip. I want to check it out. I think this is a field watch. Very cool. Field watch extraordinaire. Komandirskie Russian comrades. I love Russian watches. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm EDC Gunner. Be on the lookout. Sometimes in the future there will be a review of this watch. I need to wear it. I have some other watches I'm wearing and testing right now, and I'm expecting a new member of the family. So please forgive me if you don't see the review straight away, but there will definitely be one. So thank you for watching EDC Gunner, and check out Random Rob.